We have received reports from virus that they have just discovered
We have received reports from virus that they have just discovered a black hole in our solar system. Is being observed to see if it poses a threat to our planet. Stay tuned for more information.
We received a report from virus about the black hole observed in our solar system. The black hole is approaching and growing and has collected the planets in the solar system. The world is now in an end. We cannot stop this crisis. Spend the remaining hours with your loved ones in life.